Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. If you are someone new viewing my channel for the first time, hi, I make videos for CA, CS and CMA students as well as members. I do make videos on MCA notifications and videos on planning, organizing, motivating videos and company law classes as well. So today's video is an announcement. It's like a clarification on a query that's being given by ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. To know what is the query and how ICAI resolved it, do watch the video till the end. So the query is whether a proprietary firm having an FRN or an individual CA who is practicing either in his own name or trade name can be appointed for a period of 2 terms under section 139 of Companies Act 2013. So under this clarification, the institute said that as per section 139 of 2013, as I told you, the section is regarding the appointment of auditors. Now what happens, the section tells that every company at the first general meeting, they have to appoint an auditor, and that auditor is appointed as an auditor from the conclusion of that first annual general meeting till the conclusion of the 6th annual general meeting. So he is the person who is appointed at the first general meeting and he stays as an auditor till the 6th annual general meeting, and then after that again till every 6th general meeting. This is how the process goes on. So this is how the appointment of auditor works from the first annual general meeting till the 6th annual general meeting. In case of an individual, he can stay as an auditor for not more than one term of 5 consecutive years, and in case of an audit firm that is appointed as an auditor, he can stay as an auditor for 2 terms of 5 consecutive years. This is how section 139 explains the appointment of auditors and the term for which the auditors can be appointed. Then the rules come in play, that is Companies Audit and Auditors Rules 2014. The rules also explain whatever is in the section as well. So coming to the rules, rule number 5 and 6 of Companies Audit and Auditors Rules 2014 states, the section just states that such class of companies, but which class of companies or which companies, that is being explained in the rules only. So rules specify that what do you mean by such classes of companies or which companies fall under such class of companies. The companies for which this section applies and the term of the auditor applies does not cover OPCs, that is one person company, and small companies. So the companies that fall under the class of companies definitions are all unlisted private companies having paid up share capital of 10 crores or more. All private limited companies having paid up share capital of rupees 50 crores or more. Now the threshold is mentioned for unlisted public companies and all private limited companies, and all the companies except these 2 companies having paid up share capital lower than the threshold that's given in A and B. They will be there, but there's a restriction that they should have the public borrowings from banks, from financial institutions or public deposits of rupees 50 crores or more. So these are the companies that are covered for the appointment of auditors that is mentioned in section 139 of Companies Act 2013. Right. Now the question arises that whether a proprietary firm that has an FRN or an individual who's practicing as a CA either in his own name or a trade name can be appointed for 2 terms under section 139 of Companies Act 2013 or not. Moving further, the manner of rotation is also given in the rules. The rules specify how the rotation works. Now it says that when one term is finished, the same network from the auditor or the person from the same network should not come. It states that there's an explanation 1 of rule 6 that says, what do you mean by same network? Same network means the firms operating or functioning hitherto or in future under the same brand name, trade name or common control. So Rule 6 is further clarified and said that the audit firm, that is the incoming auditor or the audit firm, will not be eligible if he is associated with the outgoing auditor or the outgoing audit firm, or he is under the same network of the audit firms. So this is very important that the explanation defines what do you mean by same network. It means under the same brand name, trade name or common control. And as per the rules, the individual auditor shall include other individuals or firms whose name or trademark or brand is being used by such individual. So now you understand that what is an individual or what is an audit firm, and when the incoming auditor comes, he should not be associated with the outgoing auditor or under the same name or under the same network. So this query is being resolved by the institute, saying that as following the section 139 of the Companies Act 2013 and rules 5 and 6 of Companies Audit and Auditors Rules 2014, it is resolved that in case of a proprietary firm having FRN or an individual CA who is practicing either under his own name or trade name can be appointed only for one term as per section 139 of Companies Act 2013. As I already told you that section 139 states that in case of an individual, he can only be appointed for not more than one term of 5 consecutive years, and in case of an audit firm, the firm can be appointed for not more than 2 terms for 5 consecutive years. So here it states that, and as per the rules, it states that the incoming auditor should not be associated with the outgoing auditor or under the same network. So following all these things and after observing the act as well as the rules, the query is being resolved in such a manner that if there is a proprietary firm who's an auditor appointed as an auditor, it has the FRN, the firm registration number, or there is an individual CA who's working under his own name or any trade name, they can be appointed only for one term under section 139/2013. So this is how the query is resolved, and it is actually published as an announcement on the institute's website. You can find out on the ICAI's website in the announcements column. Hope you found the video informative. If you do, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, do share it with your friends and hit the bell button so that whenever I upload any video, you get notified. Do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Bye.